let, let me share my screen. Do you see my screen?
No.
Now? Do you
No.
see?
Now I can see.
Yeah. Today we will talk about my needs, air and water. Okay. In this chapter, we will understand the properties of air. What we are going to do, we will understand about the properties of air and discuss the ways to keep the air clean. That means we will be discussing about how to keep the air clean. What are the ways we need to, we can keep the air clean. Those things we will discuss, okay? And we will understand why we need water also. Then we will know what are the sources of water. Do you know what I mean by source? Source means like from where we are getting, okay? Then next is we will understand about list the ways in which we can save water and keep it clean. Okay, so we will learn about like how we can save the water and how we can keep it clean also. Okay, have you ever wondered how a kite flies?
Yeah, I know.
Tell me.
It flies with air, and without air, kites and aeroplanes cannot fly.
Okay, and you see here air, all living beings need air to breathe and live. Yesterday we have seen, right? We are breathing in and breathing out. So all living things need air to breathe and live. Okay, air is all around us. You cannot see, we cannot smell or taste air, but we can feel it. Okay, you must have observed that whenever we switch on the fan, we feel air, right? So air is all around us and we cannot see, smell or taste air, but we can feel it, right? You must have observed that whenever we switch on the fan. If you switch on the fan, you can feel the air, right? We feel air. Okay, see here, moving air is called wind.
Wind or strong wind.
Yeah, see here, moving air is called wind. It can be gentle or strong. Sometimes gentle air is called like a breeze. If it is very strong air, that is called, sometimes like you will get like a storm, right? Strong wind. So it can be gentle or strong. When the air moves slowly and gently, it is called breeze. When very strong and fast moving winds with rain is called storm. So you understand, like air, moving air is called wind, and it can be gentle or strong, right? So we will say that moving air, that is called wind. You know WIND, that's called wind. Okay, WIND means
No.
wind. It can be gentle or
I know.
strong, right? STORNG, strong. So when the air moves slow and gently, what is it called?
I know. Breeze.
Okay, have you ever seen, have you ever felt breeze? Where did you feel the breeze? Which place of India here?
In India, there are like lot of trees and all.
Okay, very strong and fast moving winds with rain is called what?
It's
Storm.
called
Okay,
strong.
if someone is asking you what do you mean by storm, how would you define it? How would you describe it? What is storm? Can you tell me what is storm?
Storm or strong.
Huh?
Storm or strong.
Okay, now let us see here. This is properties of air. We will see here properties of air. Okay, air occupies space. You know, if when you are blowing this kind of balloon,
I can
air
read this.
occupies space.
Wait,
Okay.
I can read this until the dot. Okay, listen. Let us take a balloon and blow air into it. As
Blow
we
what?
blow
Blow
air,
air into it. Okay.
I'm reading.
Yeah. Read. As we blow air into the balloon, what would happen?
Listen. Air into the balloon, it grows bigger. This is because the air fills up the space inside the balloon.
Okay, this is
This
because what? Air
us
fills up the
that
space inside the balloon.
air
Okay.
occupies space. Finished.
This tells us that air occupies a space. You have to speak read like me. Let me read it. Okay. Let us take a balloon and blow air into it. As we blow air
As we
into
blow,
it, yeah, it
the
grows
space
bigger.
becomes bigger and bigger.
It grows bigger. And let me read. Okay.
Space
This is
inside.
because. Let me read. Okay. This is because
Okay.
air fills up the space inside the balloon. This is because air fills up the space. You see here, this guy is blowing the air, and air is filling the space inside the balloon. And this tells us air occupies the space. Okay. Can you read it exactly how I read? The same way you also read it. Like, let us take a
Okay.
balloon and blow air into it.
Okay, then let us take a balloon and blow air into it. As we blow air into it, the balloon grows
It
bigger.
grows bigger.
This
Yeah.
this is because air fills up the space inside the balloon. This tells us that air occupies space. Let us
Okay.
take a
Wait a
football
minute,
field.
Listen, let
Yeah,
me read. Then you read, okay? Let me read first, then you
and
can read it, okay?
another that has no air in it.
Let me read, then you can read it. Like how I am going to read the same way you also read it, okay? Air has weight. Air has weight. Let us take a football filled with air and another that has no air in it. What? Let us take a football filled with air and another that has no air in it. Now hold both of them in your hands one by one and find out which one is heavier. The football that has air is heavier. This shows that air has weight. Okay, can you read exactly how I read?
Okay.
Hmm.
I will. Can you see my cursor?
No, read it,
Daddy,
read it. Read.
uh, air has weight,
Okay,
and also
let
slow.
us take a
The
football
football
filled with
that
air.
has air is
Read
heavier.
like me, okay?
Shows that air has weight. I read that. Let us take a football filled with air and another that has no air in it.
Okay. Now hold both of them in your hands one by one and find out which one is heavier.
I know. The football that has air is much heavier
Why?
because air has weight.
How do you say that air has weight?
Good question. The football, no, inside the football needs air, and the air will become heavy and it gives us some space. And then when it gives space, it will become very heavy.
Okay. So now let me read, then you listen, okay? Now, second thing. Air expands on heating. To expand means to become bigger. How does air expand? We will need a balloon and one bowl of hot water and an empty plastic bottle to find out. Put a mouth of the balloon to the mouth of the bottle and place the bottle in the bowl of hot water. And we see, could you see that? One minute, let me arrange this. Yeah. We see that balloon begins to expand This is because the air inside the bottle is becoming hot and expanding. Have you ever seen sky lantern fly? Sky lantern also flies in the sky due to the expansion of air. Okay. Now you read it like how I read. Okay.
Daddy, I want to say something.
Yeah, tell me.
Well, fire gives us carbon dioxide because if you take a fire or a pitch pot and then put a glass on top of it, it will come smoke, and that smoke is carbon dioxide.
Okay, okay. Now you see air expands on heating. How does air expand? Okay, let me read, then you read it after me. Okay, air expands on heating. To expand means to become bigger. How does air expand? To understand this, we will need a balloon, one bowl of hot water, an empty plastic bottle to find out. Okay, put the mouth of the balloon into the to the mouth of the bottle and place the bottle in the bowl of hot water. We see that balloon begins to expand. This is because the air inside the bottle is becoming hot and expanding. Have you seen the sky lantern fly? Sky lantern also flies in the sky due to the expansion of air. This is sky lantern. Okay. Can you read like how I read? The same way you read it?
Air expands on heating.
Okay.
To expand means to expand means to become bigger. How does air expand? We will need a balloon, one bowl of hot water, and an empty plastic bottle. To find out, put the mouth of the balloon.
Put the mouth of the balloon.
Put the mouth of the balloon, but it says, look, Daddy, look, the last one now it says, put the
Put the
mouth.
mouth of the balloon to the mouth of the bottle. Okay.
Put the mouth of the balloon.
Like this. Here you see. Here you can
I
see,
know,
right?
I can see that.
Okay. Yeah, read.
Okay, okay, I'll tell.
Then place the bottle in the. What is this?
Daddy, I want to tell.
What is this? I'm asking you. Hot water. Bowl of hot water. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you read it here. Bowl of hot water.
Wait. Let me turn the page. Bowl of hot water. We see that balloon begins to expand. It is because the air inside of the bottle is becoming hot to expand.
What do you understand by this?
You
If you
see,
heat.
have you seen sky lanterns fly? Sky lanterns also flies is in the sky due to the expansion of air. Air helps us to dry clothes, both to
Okay.
save.
This one, let me first read, then you read it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Air helps to dry clothes, boats to sail in water. Air helps boats to sail in water. Keeping air clean. Air gets polluted due to the smoke coming out of factories and vehicles. What? Air gets polluted due to the smoke coming out of factories and vehicles. Okay.
The smoke has harmful gases which pollute the air breathings. This can
Let me
also
read.
make
Let me read. This smoke has harmful gases which pollute the air. Breathing this air can also make us sick. Okay. Can you read? You just read.
Okay. The air gets polluted due to the smoke coming out of factories and vehicles.
Coming out of factories and vehicles.
This smoke has harmful gases which can pollute the air breathing. Breathing this air
No,
can
you are
also
reading
make
wrongly. Okay. You have to, whenever there is a full stop, you have to stop it. The smoke has harmful gases which pollute the air. You have to stop it. Then you have to start breathing this air can also make us sick. Okay.
Daddy, can you write it on the computer?
Okay. Can you read this? What do you mean by polluted?
Polluted means dirty.
Okay. We can make, let me read. We can make the air clean by planting more trees, asking our parents to get their vehicles checked regularly, and using bicycle for going to short distances, and not burning leaves and garbage around us, and not bursting firecrackers. So let me read once again, you listen and answer it. We can make the air clean by how? By planting more trees, asking our parents to get their vehicles checked regularly, using bicycle for going to short distances, and not burning leaves and garbages around us, and not bursting firecrackers. Okay, can you tell me the answers like how can you make the air clean? What are the ways you can make the air clean?
Okay, we can make air clean by planting more trees, asking our
Let
parents
wait.
to
By
get
planting, wait,
their vehicles checked.
listen.
Okay.
If you are not listening, it's not good. Okay, you have to, if I say listen, you have to listen. By planting more trees, how you can make the air clean? How is it helping? How does it help?
Oh, trees get the trees take carbon dioxide and expands oxygen for us. That's how it
Okay,
works.
asking our parents to get their vehicles checked regularly, how does it help to keep the air
That
clean?
helps. That helps to get out the bad air, so your air it will put cleaner.
Okay, and third point is using bicycle for going to short distances. How does it help? Why are they saying that by using a cycle to go for short distances we need to use bicycle instead of car? Why is that so? What makes?
You know why you have to use bicycle? Because car or it gives us harmful gas, but bicycle won't give us anything. No
Okay,
harmful gas at all.
right. Last point, not burning leaves and garbage around us. What would happen if we burn the leaves and garbage around us? How does it
Oh,
pollute the air?
the bad air is carbon dioxide, so it will affect the oxygen and turn into carbon dioxide.
Okay, not bursting firecrackers. Have you ever seen firecrackers?
Daddy, wait. If we cannot burn firecrackers, then what are we
Bursting.
going to do in Diwali?
That's right. During Diwali, you will be doing bursting firecrackers, but you should not burst a lot of things. You can enjoy very little things. Okay. Let me go
No,
to next.
everyone puts millions of
Listen.
firecrackers.
Yeah, listen. Let's go to the next chapter, next page. Okay. Let me read.
Wait,
You
Daddy,
listen. Let me
Daddy,
read. You listen. Then you talk. Okay. Let me
I
read.
want to
You
tell
listen.
everyone.
Let me
Hey,
read.
listen,
You
I want to
listen.
tell
Let
everyone.
me read. You listen. Okay. Checkpoint. Tick the activity or activities which do not pollute air. Is it going to pollute the air? The guy
Yeah,
is
yeah.
burning something? Yes. Is it going to pollute the air?
Oh, Daddy, I know what he's burning. He's burning trash and it's going to pollute the air. So
Okay.
easy.
Second picture.
We learned this.
Is it going to pollute the air?
No, this one is not going to pollute the air. How is it going to pollute?
I'm asking you. It's no. Okay. Does it going to pollute the air? This activity?
No,
Okay.
no. Why is that going to pollute the air? It doesn't have carbon gases.
Okay. Just listen. I'm going to read after that you listen. After that you speak. Okay. Essential water. Water is essential for all living beings. Okay, it is needed for different things. So how many glasses of water did you drink today? That you answer me later. How many glasses of water did you drink today? Okay, see uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing clothes and utensils. Washing clothes and utensils. Okay, and also plants also need water to grow. Animals also need water to drink and live. Okay, these are the uses of water. Then we will see the sources of water. Okay, rain is the main source of water. Rainwater fills rivers, lakes, ponds, and oceans. Okay. Some of the rainwater also seeps into the ground. Seeps means flows into. So it flows into the ground. We take out this underground water by digging wells or using hand pumps. Okay. So first let's listen. Essence. Okay. Now can you read essential water? Read. You are mute. Unmute and read.
I want to first tell everyone that I had a book, and you know how
It's unmute. You just unmute. You are not.
he is in Saudi Arabia. This is the picture, so that's it.
Okay. Just read
I'll
about
read.
this. Just read about this.
What is
Water is essential for all living beings.
what is this essential for all living things?
It is
Breathe.
needed for different things.
It is needed for different things. Wait. We
How
use
many glass of
water
water
for
did you drink today?
drinking. We use water for drink.
Unmute. You are not audible.
Clothes and
No, read it one from here. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing clothes, and utensils. Okay.
I read it. No, wait. This one I'm going to read.
Yeah.
Plants also need water to grow. Animals need water to drink to and live.
Okay. How many glass of
So
water did
easy.
you drink today?
I drank.
How
I
many glass
drank
of water did you drink today?
4.
Okay. Let me read. Plants also need water to grow. Animals need water to drink and live. Okay. Can you tell me sources of water? Just read this one. Rain is the main source of water. Do you know rain is the main source of water? Have you seen rain? What do you mean by rain? Do you know what you mean by rain?
Wait, I know what you mean by rain. And also, I want to tell everyone
Uh,
that
rain
I
is the
can
main
actually
source of
see the
water, you
birds
know.
from the screen. Daddy, I want to tell everyone I can see the letters from the screen already. So I don't need
Okay.
a book.
Okay, fine. But just read. Otherwise, everyone will laugh at you. So read this one and listen and read. Don't speak. Whenever another guy is speaking, don't speak. Okay.
Rain
Once the
is
guy
the
is
main
stop
source.
speaking, then only you have to speak. Otherwise, everyone will laugh at you. Okay.
Okay, rain
So you have
is
to
the
listen
main source
first.
of water.
Listen. Okay. If I tell you to talk, you talk. Okay. Now you
But
read
can
this
I
one. Yeah.
easy? Rain is the main source of water.
What do you mean by source?
Rain source means something like getting water something.
Okay. Read next sentence.
Okay. Rain water fills lakes, fills rivers, lakes, ponds, and ocean. That's so easy.
Okay. Some of the rainwater also seeps into the ground. What do you mean by seep? Seeps into the
Oh,
ground.
by
What do you
going,
mean by this?
I'm not going to look at this this clue.
Okay, just answer the question. You are now mute. Unmute.
I'm not going to look at the clue. Okay, I'm not
Answer
going
the
to change.
question. Don't talk any other things.
Sheep,
Otherwise, people will laugh at you.
sheep means going flooding under.
Flows into. Okay. We take out this groundwater, underground water by digging wells or using hand pumps. Do you know what I mean by digging well?
I know, like
What's that?
you're taking the mud out, and then when you take all the mud, there'll be water inside, and that is
Have you ever seen hand pump?
yeah.
How does it look like?
Oh, it looks like a pipe, but you have to use it on a different way.
Okay, let's go to next page. Okay, let me go to next page. Let me read, you listen. Okay, don't talk. Okay, rain, lake, ponds, and rivers are natural sources of water. You see, rain, lake, pond, and rivers are natural sources of water. Hand pump and dams are made by humans and are called human-made sources of water. See, hand pump and dam and well and all, human is making it like so. These are called human-made sources. These are made by humans and are called human-made sources of water. Rain, lake, pond, and rivers are natural source of water. So you see well, dam, hand. If somebody is asking you, Hand pump and dam, is it man-made source of water? Yes, it's man-made source. Even well also man-made source, human-made source, because these are made by humans. Saving water. Wasting water causes shortage of water. Wasting water, what will happen? Shortage of water will happen. It is important for us to use water and reuse it. Okay, save water and reuse it. We should close taps tightly after use and fix leaking pipes so that water does not drip from them. Okay, not use a hose pipe to water plants or wash vehicles. There are many fruits and vegetables that have water in them, like watermelon, muskmelon, orange, radish, and cucumbers are rich in water. Okay, now I will ask you to read from here. Read from here. Read. Read.
Daddy, I want to tell that
I'm
like
asking you to read means you have to read, otherwise people will laugh at you. Okay, I'm asking you to read. Read this.
okay, this one's so easy. Rain, lakes, ponds, and rivers are natural source of water.
Okay,
Water. Hand pumps, wells, and dams are made by
humans
human-made
and are called
humans
human-made sources of
water.
okay. So well dam and hand pump, these are human-made sources of water. Okay. Can you read this saving water?
Daddy, I want to tell you something. Please,
Tell me.
can I tell?
Tell me.
Okay, I want to tell lakes, ponds, rivers are not salt water. Only oceans are salt water and
Yeah, right.
okay,
Okay.
I'll read
Yeah.
reading.
Yeah.
Wasting water causes shortage of water. It is important for us to save water and reuse it. We should close taps very tightly after using.
Wait.
Uh,
Why do we need to close the taps tightly after use?
I know that's easy. I'll tell. We need to close taps tightly, otherwise we won't have water left.
Okay. And next, how can we save the water? By fixing the leaking pipes so that water does not drip from them. Okay, right? What do you mean by this? What did you understand by reading this sentence? Can you explain?
I understand that we have to fix the pipes and not to waste water.
Okay. And you see there are many fruits and vegetables that have water in them. Okay, let's read this one also. We can also reuse water to avoid wastage. We should collect water after washing vegetables to water plants, and collect rainwater in tanks and drums for washing clothes and cleaning. Okay, and fact files.
Safe drinking water is called potable water. It does not have any smell or any color. It does not
Contain
contain
harmful
harmful
germs.
germs.
Okay, can you tell me safe drinking water is what?
Potable water.
Okay.
I would say, I would look, okay, I will tell. Safe drinking water is potable water. And potable water does not have any smell or color, and it doesn't have harmful gases. I mean, sorry, not gases. Uh, germs. Hello, Daddy, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I could not hear you. Daddy, are
Okay.
you talking? Could not hear.
Yeah, I can hear you. Next, we will see the next page, okay?
Daddy, what are you doing? I cannot see you.
Okay. Can you read this?
Okay. We do not need air or swimming. We do not need air for swimming.
Okay.
The second question, easy. Air expands or heating.
Okay. Well is a natural source or not a natural source? Well is made by human, so it is human made resource. Okay. Then we need water for. We don't need
Wait,
water.
I will tell, Daddy. I want to. Okay, I want to look. Okay, I will tell. Well is used for drinking water.
Okay.
Okay.
And you see, air is the we can use air. We breathe air, and river is natural source. Well is human made. Animals need both air and water. See, decode
Daddy, wait.
this picture and answer these questions. What is shown in this
Daddy,
picture? Wait,
Daddy,
listen. Everyone will laugh at you. If I ask you to speak, you speak. Okay. What is shown in the picture?
there's a big hot air balloon.
Okay. How does it fly in the sky?
It has it has the heat
Inside air.
coming. The air inside is very hot, so it's going up.
Okay. Then can you
Hey,
answer this
Daddy,
question? Wait a minute. I will ask you. I will give you time. At that time you speak. Okay. Now you answer the question. Why do we need air?
we need air to drink, clothes, and washing, and also we need air for drinking and for plants and animals.
Okay. And what are the uses of air?
The uses of air is breathing and help kites and aeroplanes fly, and also boats to sail on water.
How can we save the water?
By not wasting water.
How can we save the water?
By not
Close,
wasting water.
yeah, close taps tightly after use. Fix leaking pipes so that water does not drip from them, and do not use hose pipe to water plants and wash vehicles. These are the ways you can save the water. Okay. Okay. Then we will see tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm out. Bye. See you everyone in the next
Otherwise, you
video.
see, what would you like to? What would you like to have on a hot sunny day? It's a hot chocolate or juice.
Juice.
Okay. What kind of a day is it outside today?
It's cold.
Some days of the year are hot and sunny, while others are cold. These are
Daddy,
there are
Daddy,
days when it rains,
Daddy,
right?
in summer season we can drink cold water, and in winter season we can drink hot water. That's what.
Okay, okay, right. Seasons. When we have same weather conditions for longer period of time, it is called season. Okay, and a year has different seasons like summer, rainy, autumn, winter, spring. How many are there?
There are.
Summer, rainy,
Okay.
autumn, winter, and spring. Okay.
Hey, Daddy, rainy isn't a season, but somehow they put rainy.
Okay. See here. Summer season comes after spring. You remember? Summer season comes after spring. Okay. Spring means spring season is a short season. The weather is
And
pleasant.
also the plus, Daddy, also spring is little cold.
Okay, can you listen?
Yeah.
Okay, the spring season is a short season. Weather is pleasant during this season and days become longer. And many bright and colorful flowers grow during the season. So in spring, you can see many bright and colorful flowers. Okay, did you listen what I say?
Yeah.
Can you repeat what I say?
Okay. The spring season is a short season. The weather is pleasant, and
Days become
during
longer.
the season when the days became longer,
And many bright and colorful flowers grow during the season. Okay.
butterflies and honeybees are all around, and we hear birds chirping.
Okay. Okay. Summer comes after spring. Can you remember? Summer season comes after spring.
Yeah.
Can you remember that? It is a season of fruits such as watermelon and mango. Okay. Do you listen me? Like it is a season of fruits such as watermelon and mango.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I listen.
Okay. We wear light cotton clothes during the season. We love to have cool drinks, juices,
Daddy,
and ice
we
cream.
wear woolen clothes when it's winter time, and we wear gumboots, raincoat, and umbrella in rainy season.
Okay. Listen, I will tell and read, and then you listen and then answer. It rains a lot during the rainy season. Dark clouds, you see dark clouds gather in the sky and often hide the sun also. We use umbrella, raincoat, and gum boots on the rainy days. Everything looks fresh and green as the rainwater washes away all dust and dirt. Rainwater also fills up dry rivers and lakes and ponds. Okay. So you see, winter is the coldest season of the year. Before that, you see autumn. Autumn comes after the rainy season. After rainy, autumn comes, but before the winter. The day starts getting shorter and cooler. Weather becomes pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Some trees shed their leaves at this time. You listen. Trees are shedding their leaves in autumn. Autumn comes after rainy season, before winter. Okay. Do you get me? Do you listen?
Yeah.
Okay. Autumn comes when? When does autumn come?
Autumn comes before winter.
Okay.
After
After
autumn,
rainy season and before winter season. Okay.
after
In autumn,
winter,
yeah.
Daddy, after winter is summer.
Okay. And you see, trees are shedding their leaves at this time. When the trees are shedding their leaves? In autumn. Some trees shed their leaves at this time. Okay. Autumn time. Okay.
Daddy, there's another name for autumn. It's called fall.
Okay. Right. We enjoy hot drinks and soup in winters. Okay. Winter is the coldest season of the year. The sun may not shine brightly and cold winds blow. The days get shorter and nights get longer. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. What do? We wear woolen clothes to
Woolen
keep ourselves
clothes to
warm.
keep ourselves warm.
And we enjoy hot drinks. Do you know?
Yeah, we enjoy warm drinks.
Okay. Can you tell me this? Dash is the coldest season of the year. Which one is the coldest season of the year?
The coldest season of the year is winter.
Right. Dark clouds gather in the sky during which season? Dark clouds gather in the sky during which season? Spring, rainy, weather, winter. Which one? Rainy.